Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I will show you on how you can make a question mark orbs in Geometry Dash. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the triggers option, and then you want to add an alpha trigger onto your level editor. Click on edit object, and you want to target group 1, or you simply want to target a free group for our invisible triggers, and from here you want to set your opacity to 0. Now, the next step is to add your orbs. In my case, I'm demonstrating this on multiple orbs. So maybe let's put it at this place and at this place and lastly at this block right here. So from there, just click on the highlight everything, click on edit group, and then you want to place them as your targeted group. So in our case, our targeted group is going to be the group ID number 1. So I'll just click on add, so they will all be targeted. And basically from there, we can then customize our orbs the way we want to. So I'm heading over to this specific icon right here, and then I'm going to place my question mark orbs onto this spots right here, and if we click on the play button, we have successfully made the invisible or the question mark orbs in Geometry Dash. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.